Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Are you like me and just got a new PX900? Let's open it up and see what's inside. So I purchased the deluxe kit, which comes with this wonderful carrying case. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the sleeve. We can ditch that. And let's open it up. All right, so inside here we've got first and foremost our printer. It comes in a nice little protective sleeve. We don't need that anymore. As well as the screen protector. There we go. Now the printer is about ready. We've also got a tape here. This is the tape that's going to come with the printer. It's a 1/2 inch black on white, the most popular color and size combination. So this is a full cartridge. It's 30 feet in length. We'll go ahead and put it in the printer. To do that, you're going to go ahead and just open up the cover like this, hold it like a baby, and then you can put the tape in. This here is going to be a tail, so you just want to make sure that it feeds in to the slot there. See, when you hold it like a baby, it makes it easy. Pop it in. Did you hear it click? Now we know that's in. We can close the cover. We flip it over, we can install the lithium-ion battery, which is going to come in here. We'll get that open. Make sure when you're having a hard time sleeping, you can read those instructions. We have the protective case that you'll want to keep if you do travel with the printer or anything like that. But for now, we can go ahead and ditch that, and then we'll put it in the printer. You've got your copper connectors. We'll just pop the cover off like this. This printer has 3 power options. So we've got the lithium-ion battery, which is going to get recharged with the AC adapter that we've got in here as well. So it'll run on that. And then you can also see in here we've got the connectors for your standard AA batteries. It takes 6 of them. We're going to use the lithium-ion, so we'll just put it in. It just slides right in like that. And then we will put the cover back on. Easy peasy. While we've got it turned over, we can put our magnetic feet on. Those are here, and these are optional. They do screw into the back of the printer, so we will screw those on, twist them on. And then these come with a rubber protective case. I found that the magnets are strong enough. They do still work with the magnetic feet on there, excuse me. If you're like me, you can get it screwed in. Well, maybe. There we go. So these do come off. They are removable, but I've found that they still will stick with it. Sometimes it protects your cabinet or something from getting scratched. So we've got that. Let's see what else we have in here. We have the power adapter, the AC adapter. So this is a 2-part adapter. This here is the part that connects to the printer. We've got that. And then we have here the portion that's going to connect to the wall. And so you can see that pretty straightforward. This is going to just connect into here, plug it into the wall. I think you get it. Threw it on the floor too. It's drop tested. In there we also had the USB cable. With this you're going to get the software. Our software is available for free. Download on our website. Go to our website. It's labelworks.epson.com, and you can download that. That's the USB cable you'll need for that. And then up here we have the instruction manual. It's in like a ton of different languages. Go crazy with it. We also have the warranty card. You're going to want to send that in. You can do it online or you can send it in, but we have a lifetime warranty. Yay! No questions asked, lifetime warranty. If you're just clumsy like me and you drop it or break it, or something happens to it, we'll replace it at no charge for you. So that's in there when you need it. Now, the battery does not come charged. So why don't we plug in our printer, let it charge up, and we'll meet back and we'll make our first label. Thanks, we'll see you again.